now, my little friends. Oh, look at this. It's a magic box. Inside this, there are 7 secret surprises.
Wow!
One for every day of the week. Wow! You want to open it with me? So, let's learn the tips together. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes! Clap your hands to make the magic happen. 1, 2, 3. Boom! Here is the Sunday. Sunday is cozy. I rest, I sleep, and I snore. I rest, I sleep, and I snore. Let's sing with me. Lazy Sunday, close the door. Lazy Sunday, close the door. Snore, snore, and snore. Clap! It's Monday. Time to wake up and brush, brush, brush. Let's sing with me. Monday morning, no more hush. Monday morning, no more hush. Brush your teeth, swish, swish, swish. Brush your teeth, swish, swish, swish. Great job!
Wow!
Yay! It's Tuesday. I draw and I paint. So much fun. Let's sing with me. Red and yellow, green and other. Red and yellow, green and other. Tuesday's color make me flutter. Tuesday's color make me flutter. Wow! It's Wednesday. I bake yummy treats. Mix and stir is such a treat. Mix and stir is such a treat. Wednesday's baking can't be beat. Wednesday's baking can't be beat. I bake yummy cake. So delicious. Oh, Thursday is story time day. Books are magic, rhyme, rhyme, rhyme. Books are magic, rhyme, rhyme, rhyme. Thursday's tales are so much fine. Thursday's tales are so much fine. Clap for yourself. It's Friday. Let's make music, clap, and sing. Friday's music, let it ring. Clap your hand and do your thing. Friday's music, let it ring. Clap your hands and do your thing. Very good. Hooray! It's Saturday. The party is on. Saturday is here. The fun's begin. Saturday is here. The fun's begin. Dance and twirl with everyone. Dance and twirl with everyone. Wow! That was so much fun. Shake your hands, wave your hands. Wow! Wow, we have learned all 7 days. Let's shout them one more last time. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Great! You were amazing, friends. See you next time. Till then, bye bye.